Hello, welcome back to the Java Full Stack Developer tutorial series. In this section, we'll learn about internationalization with I18N. So the I18N is the process of designing your application to support multi-languages and regional formats. Alright, to work with this, we can use the local. The local represents a specific geographical, political, or cultural region. It's used to format numbers, dates, currency, and extra according to local conventions. Alright, we can create a local variable, new local, and in here, for example, I will put the French, the language French, and the country is also French. And then to support multiple language, we use the resource bundle, and we create a bundle, and we can use the resource bundle, use the method get the bundle, and in here you will put the base name. So where can we get this string of the base name? Alright, in the same inside the source folder, you can create a new resource bundle. Okay, you can choose this resource bundle, and you can put the name. Maybe I can put the name is message. It's up to you. Okay, for this situation I will use the name message, and after that the extension of when you manually create a file, you will mention about the extension, but for this it will automatically create for you. So you just push the name here and you click OK. So now here you can see a messages.properties file was created for you in the source folder, and then here you can create the key greeting, and you can assign a value for it. You can assign a tag, for example. In the default file, we have here a default file. Okay, you can put greeting in English, and alright, and you can go main again, and you put the base name messages like this, and you can put the local for the second parameters here. And now to get the value of the greet key, okay, greet key, you can use the bundle get string and put the key greet like this, greeting. Alright, string value equal, and we can print this value. So please notice that now we are using the local in French, in French for the language and French for the country, right? But we only have one file, message.properties here, and in this file we just provide the text for the English. So even you push the local here, the bundle just get the default file value for you. So let's try it to see. Alright, you can see it get the greeting from the default language file for you. But if you want to create a specific language for French, you can create another file, new resource bundle, and now you can put the name, follow this rule for the messages base name, and then the code of the language, and then the code of the country. Okay, and you click OK, and in here you can copy the content from the property, from the default property file, and you put here, and you change it a little bit for the value of the greeting, maybe in the friend, I don't know how written in friend, maybe Messi, oh no, hola, I guess so. Okay, so now we have the localization file for the French language, right? So now let's try whether it can print the value from. Okay, we have hello here. Yeah, okay, so that is how you can implement the multi-language in Java using the i18n. Alright, so now we move to formatting the number and the currencies in the different location, the different local. And yeah, let's create an example. For example, we have a double amount equal 1 2 3 4 5 dot 67, and now we will format this value into the US format. You will use a number, the number format class. Okay, and create an instance for it, and create a new instance by number format, and use the static method get the currencies instance. I'm sorry, because we use a static, so I should not put the name, number format, and get the currency instance, and inside the constructor you can put the local for the format. And here we can put the local US for it, like this. And now we try to print the amount with the formatting for the US, and yeah, we use the US format and call the method format for the amount. And let's create another format for another country, maybe the French format, and in here we change it to French. Yeah, French, and here we change it to use the French format for format amount. So let's try to see the difference between them. Alright, as you can see, for the US we have it put a dollar sign before the amount, and also put some like comma to separate the number of the amount, so you can easier to read. And for French, you can see that this is the format of French. They are different, right? Alright, so that's how you formatted the numbers and currencies in the different locales. Alright, now we're talking about some annotation in Java. Alright, in Java we can custom the annotation by ourselves, but today I just show you some annotation from the Java system. Alright, you can create a class, right? Name maybe student. Okay. yeah, sorry, okay, student. And in every class you can override the method toString. Alright, public void toString. String, maybe return anything like this. So the override used to indicate that a method is overriding a method from its superclass. Okay, so the toString is the method from the superclass of the class, because you can see this student is not extended from any object, any class, right? But please notice that every class in Java will automatically extend from inherit from the object class in Java. Object, okay, this is the root class in Java. And when you go inside the class, you can see it has some method like Haskell, like equals, right? And you can also see the method toString, yeah, toString here. So when you override the method toString, you are create a naughty behavior for this method. Okay, so that is the override. And next we have the deprecate. Deprecate, for example, for this class student, I have another class, I have another method like a study, for example. And when I put the deprecate annotation for this, I mark this class as outdated. This correction is often used when there's a better alternative. For example, in some version later, I won't recommend you to use this method again, but I create another method. For example, I create the method study2, for example, and it has a better performance, maybe, right? Because of that, so I put the deprecated for this one, and I don't recommend you use this again. So and when you use the method, for example, you create a student, and when you use the method study, you can see you can see a cross line on the text study. Okay, you can see, and when you use it, it shows you a warning, a study is predicated. So now it recommends you to use the study2 like this. All right, and the last annotation is super press warning. And yeah, you can see when you use the old method study, it's warning you deprecated, right? And you don't want to see it's warning, so to ignore it, ignore the warning, you can use the super press warning. Yeah, you for the uncheck the deprecated, you can put the deprecated here. Deprecation. All right, so when you put the suppress warning deprecation here, you can see the method with the deprecated annotation. Now won't show it won't show any warning on this method again. Alright, I think that's it for today's video, and I hope it's helpful for you. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks and see you.